Now more than ever, English proficiency provides a competitive advantage in the global workplace. Whether you are seeking to build a more proficient workforce or prepare work-ready students, the TOEIC program, the global standard of English proficiency for everyday and workplace communication skills, can help you achieve your goal. The TOEIC program offers a series of assessments and teaching and learning resources designed to measure and support English language proficiency across all 4 communication skills: listening, reading, speaking, and writing. Assess basic to intermediate level English communication skills used in everyday life and common workplace scenarios with the redesigned TOEIC bridge tests. And evaluate intermediate to advanced English proficiency for the workplace with the TOEIC listening and reading and speaking and writing tests. The TOEIC portfolio also includes the Propel Teacher Workshops, a series of interactive professional development workshops that helps English language trainers and teachers prepare learners for the TOEIC assessments and motivate them to develop their skills. And a variety of official learning and preparation materials help ensure test takers are ready to do their best. For more than 40 years, more than 14,000 organizations across 160 countries have trusted the TOEIC program to provide the reliable and meaningful data they need to make decisions with confidence. The TOEIC program. Assess to progress.